How can I start making money while I'm still a student? And this video is just for you. By the time you finish watching, you'll have a clear step-by-step idea of how to start earning money in college. Whether it's to pay your tuition, support your family, or simply stop relying on others. But let me start with one powerful question. What would you do with your very first paycheck in life? I'll share what I did with mine at the end of this video. But for now, my brothers and sisters, let's dive in. 1. Turn screen time into income, Andrew Kirby's story. Andrew Kirby, at just 22, earned over $1 million by using his worst habit, wasting time on social media. He spent hours watching videos and scrolling Twitter and Reddit. But he noticed something. He was developing deep knowledge in the topics he watched the most, so he flipped the script. He created a YouTube channel where he copied the morning routines of people like Jeff Bezos and Marcus Aurelius, applied them to his own life, and shared honest reviews. People loved it. His content helped others, and over time, with videos, online courses, and sponsorships, he made $1 million. Don't just waste time on social media. Leverage your curiosity to build something valuable. 2. Content writing. Yes, even if you've never written before. Think writing isn't for you? Think again. You don't need to be a top writer to start. Here's how. Choose a topic you're interested in. Watch YouTube videos on that topic to understand the market-used ChatGPT to gather bullet points. Search Google for deeper facts. Put it all together in your own words. If you're passionate about something, fitness, food, motivation, coding, finance, then writing will feel less like work and more like fun. Then what? Reach out to YouTubers, brands, or clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Offer to write for free in the beginning. Once you provide value, people will start paying you. Pro example. One scriptwriter for a popular American channel earns enough per video to buy 3 to 4 iPhones and does all the work from a basic phone. 3. Video editing. High skill, high income. Video editing is one of the highest paying part-time skills out there. Learn tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. Use YouTube for free tutorials. Spend 1 to 6 months mastering the craft. Once you're skilled, you can earn $2 to $10 per minute of edited content. Yes, that's up to $1,000 for just 10 minutes of work. Pitch your services to YouTubers or start freelancing online. This skill can cover your rent, bills, and more. 4. Start tutoring. Earn from what you already know. You've spent years learning. Now it's time to earn from that knowledge. Pick a subject you're good at. Math, English, grammar, ICT, spread the word in your community. Create flyers or talk to parents at nearby schools. Start small. Even if you get 1 to 2 students, prove yourself. Once they see results, they'll recommend you to others. Bonus. When I earned my first ever income from tutoring, I bought my mom a new pair of shoes with that money. Her smile made me feel like I'd already made it. 5. Graphics design. Thumbnails, banners, and more. You know what makes people click on a video? A killer thumbnail. Learn Photoshop or Canva. Watch YouTube tutorials. Practice making eye-catching designs. YouTubers pay $3 to $10 per thumbnail. Once you've got 5 to 6 samples, start pitching to creators. Mr. Beast, the biggest YouTuber on earth, pays $10,000 for a single thumbnail. Now imagine if you get even 1% that good. 6. Coding. Build real stuff that pays. There's a real story of an American student named Krishan from Assam. He dropped everything and started learning to code from YouTube. No mentors, no coaching, just pure hustle. 3 years later, he built an app so powerful that the founder of WordPress bought it for $50 million. Learn web development or app development, not just hacking. Use YouTube, Udemy, or Coursera. Apply for freelance jobs or join coding competitions. In fact, most companies now care more about your projects than your degree. If you're thinking, who will hire me? Or what if it doesn't work? Let me tell you, the lazy die with regret. The hardworking make history. Start small, use what you have. Even your phone can become your income source. And as promised, my very first income came from tutoring. I used that money to buy my mom a pair of shoes. And her smile? That was the moment I knew I had made it. If you found value in this video, smash the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Awaken Greatness for more real talk and real strategies. Thanks for watching.